I've been singing Caribbean and Jamaican in particular folk songs since I was a little girl. My dad over there used to be in the Jamaica Folk Singers, so kind of feels like it's in the bones at this point. So I'm going to also be singing some songs for you today that are Jamaican folk songs, but they are recomposed by a fantastic Jamaican composer called Peter Ashbourne, and they are for operatic soprano and fantastic pianist. Can we all give Melissa a round of applause? So the first time one is Long Time Gal. You might know it. If you do, you can try and sing along, but I mean, you might get somewhere with it. You'll see what I mean when the piano starts. This long time, gal, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, gal, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Peel it, jump, sit on the tree top, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, girl. Make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me wheel and turn. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me wheel and turn. Peel it, jump, sit on the tree top, pick up the blossom. Make me hold and turn, girl. Wheel and turn. This long time, girl, make me walk and talk. Long time, girl, this long time, girl, this long time, girl, this long time, girl, me never see. This long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Long time, yeah, me never see you. Come make we wheel and turn. Oh, peel it, jump, sit on in a tree top, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, girl. Make me hold your hand. Make me hold your hand, girl. Come make me hold your hand. Make me wheel and turn till we tumble down. Make me hold your hand, girl. Make me wheel and turn till we tumble down. Make me wheel and turn, girl. Make me wheel and turn till we tumble down. Make me wheel and turn, girl. Make me wheel and turn till we tumble down.